Hey loves, a bit of a different one for Mum Hack Monday today. Oh, that sun is bright. Today we are polishing the turd that is the yard. Now we've just had our garden done. We're super happy with it, absolutely love it, but down here is our yard and it's a mess. But the truth is, the last thing we want to do now is splash out a load of cash on making this nicer when we're going to add a link here and change the pavings all along here to match and then carry on straight through into the front. But there is no way that we want to spend a fortune making it nice for summer. We also don't want it like this because it's just grim. So we are going to show you exactly how we have transformed the yard on a complete budget. We won't be spending hardly anything. I'll tell you exactly how much we spend in the end, but it's all about using what we've already got to make the most of it. Let's go. Step one, clear the space. Step two, sweep and power wash. Okay, so it's day two. We had the pressure washer, which is what you can hear in the background, and it just would not work for some reason. So we have got a new pressure washer and now we are pressure washing the yard. That's the plan. It's going to take quite a while to do that bit, but that's the bit that we're on now. And yeah, all nice and clean, get it clean, get all the mould off it. This pressure washer that we've got, I'll pop a swipe up link in the bottom. It was, I think, £60 and it's mint. It's really working well. It's just simple, easy, it's not an expensive one, and just something that we can keep for like cleaning the yard, cleaning the paving, cleaning down the sides of the house, that kind of thing, all that sort of stuff. Easy at home pressure washer, so I will link it up, but that's the process now. Hey guys, it's taken ages to get this filmed, absolutely ages, but I thought we would show you the finished result. And here it is. I could not be more pleased with it. It's all the simplest things that we've done. So we took our old rattan furniture, added some new cushions and some soft furnishings. Very kindly gifted this rug from a mother-in-law last year, which I just think adds so much colour and really lifts the whole space. A little side table for a cuppa, some more soft furnishings and things just to add a bit of colour. And then we've added these planters, which cost us about £40 for the 3 of them. All of the plants are artificial, so they're not going to fade, and we can also bring them in and out. 2 of them are from our living room, so we're not spending extra. Love this little planter with all those bright colours. And finally, some floor cushions. Floor cushions are amazing, and they're just a great place for the kids to sit. Obviously it's not 100% what we might want it to be, but it just, those little touches have made it a place where we can come and sit, we can relax, and it's not anywhere near as bad as it was. That's it. It's as simple as that. We've changed it completely. It's almost unrecognisable, to be honest. We already had all of the major things like furniture and the rug, which my mother-in-law very kindly gave me. So obviously if you've not got those, it's going to increase your cost quite a lot. But because we already had them, rather than get rid of them, if we're not going to use them in the new back garden, we just thought we might as well put them around there for now. And in fact, to be honest, we really like it. We might actually keep the setup as it is and just have the ground level changed and things, because as you can see, a lot of the cobbles were quite broken, and it really needs doing. It's been a million years, so it needs doing. But overall, I'm so happy with how it's turned out. I think to completely transform it with buying a few new seat covers or cushions, and then buying a couple of plants and planters, I think we spent spent about £150 to £200 to completely change it. I took some of the plants that we have in the living room, as I mentioned before, and put them outside. So now the weather's turned again because it's raining again, of course it is. We've brought those back inside. So whilst we're out there, they're out there, and whilst we're in here, they're in here. There's no need to buy 2 or 3 because we don't know what we're going to do with the space yet. If we'd have wanted to buy those, obviously that would have been a bit more pricey, but we just thought we might as well utilise what we've already got. The planters were an amazing bargain from HomeSense. It's got so many things there. HomeSense can transform a whole place, I swear it can. And then what the plan is in the long term is to hopefully grow something up the side or have some nice planters that go onto the wall, just make the space a little bit nicer, and that new gate will make a huge difference, but can't have that done until we've got the rest of it done. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I think that's what I meant to say at the end of these videos. And yeah, I'll see you again next week. Bye.